welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a glamorous look because wedding season is there. There are a lot of functions and family occasions and there are holiday season going on. So there'll be a lot of occasions that you will have to attend and you want to look glamorous at every single event. So without any further delay and wasting time on the introduction, let's get on to our makeup chair. Now, I've already gone ahead and primed my skin with the Plume Silk Blur Moisturizing Primer, okay? And the skin is already ready and prepped for the foundation. I'm not going to waste too much time in showing my foundation and my base routine because I've already done that before in many videos. So you can check out any of my makeup videos to see what is my foundation routine, okay? So I will be back after doing my base. So I have completed my base, my bronzer, my blush and everything. And if you want to know what products I have used, I'm going to list it in the description box. However, you can go on my Instagram and also see what products I have used. So let's move on to the eyes directly, okay? And for that, I'm going to use a new palette and this is from Flomar, okay? And it says it is eyeshadow palette. This is the first time I'm going to use it. I've heard a lot about it and let's see how it goes. So I'm going to use a lighter brown shade first, okay? I love this blue, yeah, it's too good. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush for my crease. The only thing is it doesn't have a mirror. So just I'm going to apply the lighter shade to mark my crease line and no fallout. That's very good. You can also do this with your bronzer, but I wanted to try the palette, so I thought let me just try all the possible shades that I can. Once I have marked my crease, I want to create some dimension on the outer corner, and for that I'm going to use this dark brown shade and I'm going to use the same brush, okay? I don't like changing too many brushes because it just creates a lot of confusion. Okay, you know what? I think I'm going to use this brown shade. Okay, let's see how it goes. It's a very nice and compact palette, so it's good. So I'm just focusing on the outer corner, okay, and it's way too pigment. So keep a very light hand. Once you've deposited the color out, okay, just try and feather it inside so that everything seems blended. Just make sure you take your time. I actually didn't realize how pigmented this would be, so be very careful with that. If you see, I have feathered it out a little, okay, so that it gives me a little lifted look. But if you want, you can just, you know, if you have already elongated eyes, you don't want to do that, it's fine. You don't have to elongate it. I just elongated it. I must say the pigment is really good. Next, I'm going to use this white shade with a flat shader brush, okay? Okay, the white has a lot of fallout. And just tap it in the inner corner. Now, I really like this look, but because we're doing glamorous, you can always keep it this way. I like it this way. It's matte, it's nice. You can always apply your eyeliner and you apply your, you know, your kajal and you're done with it. But because we're doing a glamorous look, I want to add the little shimmer and glitter that I always add. So for that, and I really want to try this shade. So for this, I'm going to try this pink color. There are no names given to these, but how does it matter? I'm going to look down and apply. This is a nice pinkish, orangish kind of shade. Basically wanted to use the entire palette, I feel. Whenever I try a new palette, I always feel, if it's a small palette, I try and incorporate all the colors. And it's not too shimmery also, not too metallic. It's the perfect shimmer that you have for your daytime. And if you want to make it nighttime, you can always add an extra glitter to it, which will look really beautiful. But as of now, I don't want to use that, so let's keep it simple. No, you can't see much of it, but if I move my eyes here and there, the light that reflects, it's really beautiful. I have gone ahead and applied kajal on my upper lash line and my waterline. Okay, actually while applying it didn't get captured, but yeah. Okay, and what I'm going to do next is for lower lash line, I'm going to take this brown shade and apply. So I'm going to use, sorry, I just didn't get captured. So for the lower lash line, I added this brown and the outer corners, okay, till the 3/4 of my eye. And after that, I'm using this blue on the inner corner of my eyes. Just make sure you blend it really well. In the inner corner, make sure you apply the highlighter that we used, okay? You can also apply white kajal, but to make your eyes look bigger if your eyes are smaller. But alhamdulillah, my eyes are big enough, so I didn't want to go ahead and apply a white pencil. But ideally, a white pencil will really look beautiful. For mascara, I'm going to apply the Flomar Spider Lash Mascara. This is the first time I'm going to apply it, so I hope it's good enough. And this mascara is actually very good. Yeah, it just separated my lashes and gave me a proper lift as well. So this is how it looks. I really love the look that it's come. I really love the look that it's turned out. It's very simple yet very elegant, and you can always use a different color that you want. Okay, when if you want to add a pink, a green, a mauve, any other color that you want. I just added blue because I love the blue in the palette. So there was green as well, so you can use that as well. So, or you can just keep it neutral and wear it on any dress that you want. Let's come to the lips. Now for lips, you can wear a bright color because your eyes are neutral enough, and you can always wear a red, a bright pink, or whatever it is. But I wanted to keep it a little toned down, okay, for that. And I wanted to try this lipstick from Flomar, okay, and the lipstick is Kiss Me More Lip Tattoo. Okay, and this is in the shade, this is the first time again I'm using. It says 09 Intense. This looks good, but I'm still going to go and apply a gloss on it because it's a matte finish and I want to have a glossy lips. For that, I'm going to use the Maybelline gloss, okay? And I'm trying to use a pink color is because my dress is pink, so I'm just going to. This is how it looks. And we've completed our makeup. Can you believe it? So fast and quick. Somehow I'm liking the eyes without the eyeliner. It gives such a good neutral and yet soft look. But yes, if you want to apply eyeliner, it will become more sharper and very good. So let me just change into my outfit and I will be back. So this is the final look. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy my videos. Please do subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and I will see you in the next video with another glamorous look or a skincare or any other DIY. All right, till then, take care of yourself and enjoy. Happy holidays. Mwah. Bye.